Hi, friends. Welcome back to the Life Strategies Kids. I'm Miss Chelle, and this is my learning buddy, Sparky. Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here for another Life Strategies Kids adventure. Today, we're learning something really important. I can make good choices. Have you ever made a choice that didn't feel so good afterward? Yeah, I did. Do you want to tell us what happened, Sparky? I pushed in front of someone at the playground, and I didn't say sorry. How did that feel? Not good. That feeling is important, Sparky. It helps us learn. That's okay, Sparky. We all make mistakes sometimes. I do? You do. And so do I. But here's the good news. We can always choose again. Good choices don't just happen. We can practice them. We think about what's right. We listen to our hearts, and then we choose what is kind and helpful. I can go back and say sorry. That's a great choice, Sparky. That's how we make things right. Good choices can look like so many things. Every small choice helps you grow stronger on the inside. I can make good choices. Now say it with me. I can make good choices. One more time. I can make good choices. I can make good choices. I have something that can help you practice. My good choices chart. You can use it every day to notice your good choices. Remember, every day is a new chance to make a good choice. And every choice helps you become who you're meant to be. You've got this. Grown-ups, please don't forget to help your children download the episode activity sheet and coloring page so you can practice together. Thanks for learning with us today on the Life Strategies Kids. And remember, every day is a new adventure. I'll see you next Saturday for our next episode of the Life Strategies Kids. Bye for now.